What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Texas Family Barbecue. I'm Trey. We're in my backyard. Got a little cold bed going. We borrowed a little inexpensive smoker. Got some oak. Got pecan chunks. And we got a brisket. Let's see what we can do with it. What are we cooking on today? A river grill. Got our cold bed just about ready. Oak charcoal. We got a little burn away wood. Got a regular grill. Hot and fast. And we're gonna try out this low and slow stuff. Let's get to it. Keep that little grate open for now. Start building some heat in here. Slowly but surely. We'll keep that little grate open for now. Start building some heat in here. Alright, let's get that dirty smoke out of the way. Alright, that's good. We are climbing. Let's get this puppy up to 400. And then we'll bring it back down to cook it at even 250. Welcome to Texas Family Barbecue, guys. My name's Trey. Good to meet you. We're in the backyard. We're gonna walk into this world of low and slow. Been a hot and fast grill cooker for my whole life. This will be my first low and slow. So bought a buddy's little introductory smoker grill. Got the fire started. And we'll see how it goes. Stick with it. Okay guys, I got some more wood in here. My temp is just about where I want it. I just laid this in there. It should clear up here in just a sec. I like the size of this Oklahoma Joe's, but this is what I'm looking for. As you can see, the smoke is clearing up. Should blow out here in just a sec. I want to say thank you to all our new subscribers. This is a new channel. I should be bringing you guys a surprise here very soon. I got material to build my own smoker, and I'm gonna do that. Well, keeping it under 300 has become a challenge. But we'll overcome. We're just getting to know this little pit. It'll be alright. Three hours in. Still got a good fire. We were finally able to achieve our temp. And although I believe the brisket is not as dark as I may have wanted it, it's almost time to wrap. It's a little hotter on this side than it is on this side, of course, since we have an upper exhaust here. So I think the heat's drawn further on this side. I may scoot it over just a tad. Okay, we'll bring you another update. Here in just a second after we feed some fuel, open our door. You can see it's pretty hot in there. It combusts pretty easily. It is kind of dark out here. The sun has set, or is just setting. So I'm going to try to mess with these settings a little bit for you. I think that one's alright. We'll get that to climb. Try to get this to come up. There we go. That was good. I didn't want it all the way closed. That's good. You can see it's already gone up. Climbs pretty quickly. I'll give you a few seconds worth of it. The light is fading fast. It's as bright as I can get it. And we have a intermediate sandwich mid cook, thanks to my wife.
You're not putting that.
Say hi, baby.
Huh?
Say hi.
No, because you're not putting it on YouTube.
It's got one take.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh.
We like to have fun. And she's climbing. 2, 3, 4. Alright, about 4 or 5 seconds. And that'll stay burning for a while with those couple of chunks. I do have some oak sections here I can split just a little bit more because they turn out to be just still too big. We'll jump back on here in the next couple minutes, probably after we record the wrapping of it, once this is ready to be wrapped and set back in.